today I'm going to teach you guys how to track drums on GarageBand for iPhone. It's pretty simple. Basically, you open the app and it takes you, waiting for it to load. Oops, this is the other song. So it takes you here and you press the plus button to create a new song. Specifically, I'm going to teach you how to track drums using the beat sequencer. You kind of got to flip around to find this page in particular. So once you find this page, you click the beat sequencer. And this is a lot like GroovePad. So you have all the essential components of drums to make a beat. So you have a kick, snare, clap, hi-hat, open hi-hat, and tom. So the second you start inputting beats, it'll start playing, and you can stop it by pressing this if you need to, and you can record it by pressing this. And yeah, so it's pretty simple. Everything is going by 16ths, so it's 1 E and a, 2 E and a, so you can't do 30 seconds or anything crazy. So doing trap isn't practical for this, but you can do just a basic fun beat that's a little bit more creative in a sense, because it's more your own beat than with GroovePad. So I'm gonna input just a basic beat right now. So I have claps, I'm gonna have my hi-hats. And you know, it's the same like GroovePad. If you wanna do something tap it, you wanna make it go away, you tap it again. So then I'm gonna have my tom. Right, and so I'm gonna record, and it's gonna give me a count in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm in. Right. Then I'm done. So it quantizes it for me, just like before. To change the drum, like if I want a different drum, I can go here and you click this, and it'll show you all the packs that you can use. And if you want to change the tempo, just click the metronome. Actually, that's how you turn the metronome on. So once you're done with tracking it, you click this button right here, and it'll show you the track that you just made. So I want to cut my track down. To do that, you click it and then you drag it back like that. You just kind of gotta hold it, like you double tap it, and it'll show you where you can loop it, delete, split, paste, copy. You can do all sorts of stuff with it. Like I want to loop it, so I'm gonna loop, and it'll loop it twice. Let me see. And to change the metronome, or to change the tempo, you go to song settings. Sorry, I kind of blanked for a second. You go to song settings and tempo, it's at 110. Maybe I want it to be 120, maybe a little faster, so it has a little bit more drive. And then I can just drag this back to the first one, and I can play. And there's my track. Right? If I want to create a new track, I just press the new track and I do it all over again. And yeah, that's basically how you track drums. And then there's an effects pad, so you can add effects like DJ effects, just like GroovePad, that you can record. And you can, you know, if you want to do it again, just delete it. You can, you want to edit it, like say something didn't happen right, you just double tap it and you edit it, and it takes you to the MIDI. Kind of like ties actually, and you can fix it, and you can do a lot actually. It's a really cool app. People make music on their iPhones like all the time, and they use it using GarageBand. Really famous producer Steve Lacy actually produces on GarageBand, and yeah, so that's just one component to it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Bye.